Introducing umbrella tree, Heptapluron actinophyllum of the family Araliaceae. Umbrella tree is native to tropical rainforest and gallery forest in northern and northeastern Queensland's coast and the Northern Territory of Australia, as well as New Guinea and Java. The umbrella tree is an evergreen tree growing to 15 meters tall. It has palmately compound medium green leaves in groups of 7 leaflets. It is usually multi-trunk and the flowers develop at the top of the tree. It often grows as a hemi-epiphyte on other rainforest trees. It produces racines up to 2 meters long containing up to 1,000 small red flowers. Flowering begins in early summer and typically continues for several months. The umbrella plant serves as an air purifier, offering health benefits, stress reduction, increased productivity, aesthetic appeal, and improved sleep quality.